Hi everyone, I hope you all are well. I'm Rabeea. I'm the module lead of the module that I'm presenting to you today. It's about the physical practice and health promotion. And the module, when you go, it's named as Promoting Exercise, Physical Activity and Health. Code number is 3123. And today we are discussing about this foundation year level semester 1 module, and I will give you the introduction and the breakthrough of the assessment guidelines in this module for semester 1 only. So let's go through. In this slide, as you can see, let me share with you as well. I'm sharing with you my email ID, my details as well before starting so that you can be with me and can contact if you want to. Yes. So let's start. The objectives, the key objectives, the points we are covering to discuss in this discussion of the recording is about the introduction of the module, what this module contains, its name, and the learning outcomes that are required for you to achieve and know at the end of this semester, at the end of this module. And we will discuss about the module structure, assessment overview, and what the assessment criteria for semester 1 is. I will show you some useful tools for you that will help you during your studies and at work. And then we will discuss about the assessment breakdown, further information details about the assessment and what the weekly materials available on the module, and lastly about the reading resources. So before starting, I'm giving you one overlay about the modules that what you are studying in this module. So in any module, in any cohort you are studying the same modules. So first you are studying module Introduction to Health and Social Care in semester 1, and then studying another module called as Promoting Exercise, Physical Activity and Health that we are discussing today. Next, academic skills. Right, so these three modules you are studying in semester 1. While when you will go to in semester 2, you are studying again the same semesters, but different assessment targets, different other stuffs that you will do. Introduction to health and social care practice, promoting exercise, physical activity, and health, academic skills, then additional fourth module project. And each module has their own assessments that you have to achieve. Right? The total credit hours of these modules are 30 credit hours. So what module we are discussing today, promoting exercise, physical activity and health, it also had 30 credit hours. So what the learning outcomes of this module are? The learning outcomes of this module that you have to achieve at the end of this module and the semester is having the information and can define what is health and well-being, and then explain the importance of health and well-being in the society, including knowledge of the health benefits of sport and physical activity participation. Third learning outcome is about to identify and examine the basic factors that affect the health and health behavior. Fourth is about to analyze the role of interventions and intervention planning in leading to behavior change across a range of populations groups for both health and activity. Fifth, demonstrate an awareness of local and national roles in organizations that are relevant towards the health promotion of health, well-being, and physical activity. Okay, so these are the overall learning outcomes of this module. Module structure. So each day you have at least two modules classes per day. So overall 2 days you will have classes each week. And then you will have around 3 hours session, 3 to 4 hours session for each module in the campus. And your 100% campus attendance is required. Now let's go to the assessment overview. So you have actually only one assignment to do in semester 1 that is called as the workbook. So in this component 1, you are doing only one book. And overall word counts required in this assessment workbook is 1000 words. The weightage of this component is 40%, Assessment deadline you can see from the module assessment submission link, and also will be showed exhibited to you in assessment brief section. And the objectives that you need required to achieve for this assessment is our learning outcome 1 and 2. So it's mean you are focusing learning outcome 1 and 2 in this semester. Define health and well-being and the importance of health and well-being in the society, and the benefits about the health of sports and physical activity participation. Now let's go to semester 1 further details about the assessment. As I told you, you have to do one assignment, that is the workbook. So it's not means that you are writing something or some question answers in your notebook. It's about you have to do this assignment in the Microsoft Word. So the template is available on the Moodle that you can download from the Moodle. Moodle is the website available for you that you can use. Go to the Moodle, log in from here. Go to Health and Social Care. Foundation level, open the module that you are doing, promoting health and exercise. And find out the workbook template from here. Here is the handbook available for your guidance that you can read. Okay, the learning outcome assessment details everyone here. Your assessment guidelines and the deadlines are available on the module. Here is the reading list as well providing to you. So you can go open this Talis link directly. It will lead you to open the book directly through the e-library. Their guidance, structure, reference guidance available here. But right now we are finding the template. Let me show you the workbook template. It's here. So just you click it. It will be downloaded. Open from here. Save it in your computer in the specific folder so that you will not forget. And answer these questions that are given to you in the templates. These are coming from your learning outcome 1 and 2. And they have some specific words that you have to write the answer just only in 250 words. So when you count overall questions answers word count, it should not be more than 1000 words plus minus 10%. So it's actually a written assignment, and when you completed your those assignment, there is the availability facility for your support. If you want to take the formative feedback from your tutor, you can take, and the 10% of your work, your tutor can give you the formative feedback guidance on your work. Okay, when you complete it, you have to now submit your assignment on the Moodle at the submission link before the announced submission deadline, right? And the template already I showed you from the Moodle that you can use, and that's really helping and guiding for you. So write the answers, fill the questions, but remember, when you are writing the answers and the information you are taking from any source, please paraphrase them so that it will be plagiarism free, right? And do not forget to put the citations with them. So from where you are taking the information, please remember, put the citation and their references at the end of your workbook under the heading of the reference list. So in the task 1, the question is about the health. That what is health and well-being? You have to define this concept first in few lines. Please provide the citation and their references. Then next, you have to explain the importance of health and well-being in the society in contemporary okay society and in the modern world. Then in next paragraph you are answering the other questions chunk sections, or if you are linking with them you can do, but remember to answer each of them. Then discuss how promoting health and well-being can lead to the positive social outcomes. Then give some examples of initiatives of programs that have successfully improved the health and well-being of the individuals or communities. And then at the last, discuss briefly the role of health navigator in supporting these efforts. So guys, please remember, before doing your assessment, go through your Moodle activities and the learning that providing to you on the Moodle. So these are actually helping guiding for you when you are doing your assignments and help you to understand your topic more properly according to your profession in health and social care. Second task, the question in the workbook that is giving you to the answer is about examine the concept of the health inequalities, their impact on physical activity participation. So negative, positive, the strengths, what we are finding, please write in it down. Then identify specific population group, for example, aged or elderly population or ethnic minority, and you can pick one and that faces the significant health disparities, health inequalities, health issues related to physical activity. Discuss the barriers and challenges forthcoming to these individuals when they are doing engaging in the to promote their physical activity to promote their health. And next, then propose the strategies that health navigators can use to address when they are giving their interventions or promoting their physical activity with inclusivity programs in such communities in those population groups. Task 3 question is about to explore the health benefits associated with regular physical activity. Next, provide a comprehensive overview of how physical activity positively affects various aspects of health, specifically that should include physical, mental, and social well-being. Then also discuss the potential risk and injuries that can arise from physical activity or inactivity. So please it's or read carefully the question first, then answer. After then, offer the guidance how health navigators can help such individuals strike a balance between reaping the benefits and minimizing the risk. Either it's about activity or inactivity. Last question, last task that you have to achieve is about identify and explain the basic factors that affecting influencing the health and healthy behavior. Then discuss how individual factors, here the determinants of health are covering, such as the genetics, knowledge, and motivation, can impact health related choices. After the onwards, then analyze the role of environmental and societal factors, such as access to resources in shaping health behaviors. Then provide examples of the interventions. There are very nice activity and reading resources available on the Moodle. So please go from them before writing your tasks answer. Right. So what's the last is section asking you to write on? Provide the examples of the interventions or the strategies that health navigators can employ to positively influence these factors and promote the healthier choices. And at the last, please do not forget to put all the references in the references when you are writing the answers of all these tasks. So this is the criteria of your assessment. So quality matters. Please remember to paraphrase your work, provide a range of resources, not provide only one citation, one source of the information. All right. And remember when you are doing the references, do in APS 7 references. Right. So first examine the literature when you are searching, found that what is relevant according to it, and then note it down, put in the assignment. So it should be in points in paragraphs because it's a workbook. It should not be in bullet points. It should be in paragraphs and proper paraphrased. So it should be plagiarism free. Right. And please write in academic style structure and this availability is okay. Support is available in the campus and in this school for you. So this is a reference style that I told you. Please do not forget, use the APS 7 style. And the guidance to how to referencing is also available on the Moodle web page. I am showing you here the picture. So when you go to the home page of the Moodle and there's one option is coming library. When you click library, it will help you show you to open the APA referencing examples. Here the all guidance given to you, even the recorded video available here. And you can also book online support session with the librarian as well. So e-library and the on-campus library, both facilities available for you. So please, Moodle is a very useful tool for your learning resources and the guidance to your assessments and how to pass your semester. So please do not forget, always follow the Moodle and take the guidance from there every week. Here is the module, your look at a glance, what each week you are going to cover. So in this way, your task will cover accordingly and can successfully pass your assessment and can work very well with the time. So in week one, you are going through from the introduction. Next week about the you will study about the physical activity guidelines by KIMSA and the NICE guidelines, what the health navigator standards are, and exercise prescription principles. In fourth week, you are discussing going through study about the health screening and risk assessments. In week five, behavior psychology, motivational techniques. In week six, you are going to aware and study about what's the nutrition and how it's benefiting and can use to manage the lives in a balanced way to reduce the health inequalities and what the lifestyle factors playing role in it. In 7 week about exercise and chronic health conditions, how it can be managed to promote the health. And in 8 week about exercise programming, some examples, and you will go for some further readings about that as well, about some health promoting interventions and in specific programs running here in the UK or in specific populations as well, and what these tailored interventions are. And in ninth week, you will go about to study Health Navigator practical skills. In week 10, then there is assessment tutorial. There will be revision, and you will drafting as a final of your workbook and getting ready to submit. So till week 10 are your proper on-campus classes as well. Then 11 and 12 your independent study sessions. And if you want one-to-one to support or want to any online drop-in, so you're most welcome for it for the module tutoring. And then you have the assignment deadlines, and then in this ways you have to submit your assignments on the module. So this is the basic layout of this module as an introduction, and here are the reading resources, and all this information are available on the module as well, especially in your handbook and the assignment brief and assessment guidance. And the direct links through the tallies are also present in the module that by one click you can open the book and read them. So please go from the reading resources and study, increase your knowledge and write relevant in your assessments. The total credit hours are 330 credit hours. It means 300 hours, your learning hours. This is your library search in the module. You can search the book name and can manually also do by yourself if you want to search something else or any other book. Thank you. Any question? Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye.